Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The splash pad at High Park is situated inside the fence of High Park Outdoor Pool and is only open when the outdoor pool is open. The splash pad will be open the same hours as the pool. Located at 3159 Birchmount Road.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Is the water from a splash pad recycled? In a private sector environment, i.e. campground, amusement park etc., a recirculation system that recycles, the water is often used due to the high volume of water that would be required to operate the splash pad.
Let's help you make your mark.
Typically there are ground nozzles that spray water upwards out of the splash pad's rain deck. Some splash pads feature movable nozzles similar to those found on fire trucks to allow users to spray others. The showers and ground nozzles are often controlled by a hand-activated motion sensor, to run for limited time.
Take our lead.
Under current provincial lockdown measures to reduce the spread of COVID-19, all pools are closed. Following the provincial announcement, splash pads will begin opening May 22nd. Staff are working to get the locations open as quickly as possible, barring any mechanical issues.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The Toronto Zoo's Splash Island will reopen this Saturday and Sunday from 10:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. With 2 acres of hands-on, non-stop family fun amidst water slides, water spouting animals, waterfalls, and tipping buckets, the Zoo's splash pad is the best way to beat this heat.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can drive up to Colborne Lodge and the children's picnic area where the road loops around and leads you back out of the park. If you want to drive deeper into the park, use the Bloor Street or Parkside Drive entrances.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.